Hello guys! Today I'll teach you how to create glow text in InShot, just like in After Effects. First of all, you have to take any clip in which you are making glowing text. Then you have to write the text and give it green color. You have to do it in all of them. After done, you have to export the clip, then you have to download the overlays from my description, then you have to select all the clip. Then now you have to export your clip, you have to take it in overlay, then you have to go to Chrome in the cutout and select the green color of the text. Then you have to increase the chroma strength to full. After this, your glowing text will start appearing. If you want to make the text glow more, then adjust the overlays I have given and make the brightness and saturation full. After doing this, your glowing text has been created. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.